my pipe cleaners are not that good. But we would have this ligament here, which would result in
Ronnie, why don't you help her?
cells. Ronnie, you pull those apart out of these. Okay. Here you go. Alright. Pull them up there. And then we're going to have another splitting event. Ronnie, there's your extra plate there. Hold that. Splitting event here.
Is everybody here?
What are you thinking? Okay. There you go.
I thought
Okay.
you were pretending
Ladies and
to.
gentlemen, how many cells do we have?
Four.
Are they haploid or diploid?
Haploid.
Are they sperm or egg cells?
Egg.
We don't know. We don't know
Oh.
what this individual is. All right.
Oh, I like your
Very
hair.
nice. Hey, give
You're
Aviva a
welcome.
round of
It was
applause.
me. Why didn't she look at Emma?